Since this bulb has quite a bit of play in it, I determined where it would be, what position the bulb would be to make it work, and then I marked it with this Sharpie. So maybe your situation will be similar to that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean up some of the screws. I've got this tightened up, and you can see right here, this is the nut that I sort of retrofitted that on there, drilled a hole and all that. Well, I made sure my work worked out okay, made sure that the socket on the back of that light right there was firmly against the gasket.